Hello and welcome back. In previous video we have created this quiz activity and this video is going to be sixth part of this series. In this video we are going to make this result activity where we will display the summary of quiz. In case you haven't subscribed my channel, so
please whatever. Please okay, thank you.
in the last video we prepared some data to send it to result activity. So first we are going to create a result activity. Now we need to build UI of this result activity, and again I am not going to write code for this. I will just copy and paste here, but I will suggest you to build yourself. You can figure out yourself what I did here. So let me just finish the UI. There is one error because one layout file is missing, which is UI for the item in recycler view. This UI is very basic. Here we have a text view for indicating position and then another text view for displaying time. This text view is to display the type of question. This is to display difficulty, and this last one is for a score. Here we have a narrow horizontal view which separate two items of the list. In the last video we have prepared this array list to send it to result activity. So let's do it. We can only send this data when game ends. First we need an intent. Then we use put extra and then a start new activity. And finally we finish this activity. First let's implement view binding to this activity. Now let's get a data which we send from quiz activity in a variable which is result list of type array list. Now we need to set up this recycler view, and to set up this recycler view we need an adapter. So first let's create an adapter. First thing first, we need a list of data to set up each item of the recycler view, and we have array list of result model. And then this class should return adapter for recycler view. Let's create a inner class called view holder, since it is the type of the adapter, and this view holder class take parameter view. In this class we need to create field or variable or object for the views of recycler view item. This method will return the size of the list. This method is supposed to return view holder, and for view holder we first need a view, then we create a view holder, and then we'll return it. Now in this method we will assign the values for each views of the item of the recycler view. So let's do it. Here time remaining is not a good name for that variable and I want to change it. So where we are going to change it, let's see. Here is all correct, and here also we have used 20 minus time there. That means whatever the time we used to solve that question. Now the time remaining should be like time, just time. And that's it, our adapter is ready to use. Now first we need a manager for our recycler view. And that's how our recycler view is ready. And finally you can see here we are displaying total score. So let's create a function which will calculate the total score a player get. Here adding all the scores for each question and then returning it. Now it's the time to test our application. Congratulations, our result activity working completely fine, and it's time for you to like this video. And at last there is a home button at the bottom of the result activity, and we need to make it functional also. And when you click on this button we just need to finish the result activity and automatically we will be on the home page. And please don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe I feel motivated and make more videos.